is a space to step in every moment on a refreshing note. There's nothing more refreshing than a shower to start your day. With the advent of time, our needs evolved and so did our bathrooms. The need to incorporate more and more in an ever-shrinking space became the driving force behind every innovation. Introducing the first of its kind ready-to-fit shower enclosure that allows you to bring a change in the way bathrooms are designed and experienced. It's easily installable and designed to fit into a corner of your bathroom. It saves all the space for nurturing your innovation with needs as well as styles. Every inch of your bathroom has a purpose. Your freedom to tailor also allows you to do more with your bathroom. Amazing, right? Let every shower end with a rejuvenation that lingers all day long. So convert your bathroom to a space-saving sanctuary with Jaquar Standard Shower Enclosure. Save the space, live the trend.